Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another video, and today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and first thoughts and a little try on of the legendary now Adidas silhouette Stan Smith. I have picked this one up from an online store from Spain at a very good price, with at least 40 to 50% cheaper what they cost in store, and that means shipped to my door from Spain. I went with the classic look this time around, and I had these shoes long time ago, and I just wanted to see how do they stack up now in 2023. What's the material like? The first feel, feedback. I'm gonna put them on foot later on in this video so you can see how they look. First of all, I went with the CF variation of these shoes, which means they come with the Velcro straps, and I went true to size, which is my Adidas true to size is size 12 US or 11.5 UK or 46 2/3 European. The shoe comes in your standard Adidas blue box. The sticker up here is the sticker that the retailer put on, so that has nothing to do with Adidas. So as I said, here is this sizing and the shoe variation, Stan Smith CF. You can get this shoe in gold-white combination, which I think is the nicest one. Then also you can get it that the back is green or blue. But I went with the absolute classic. Inside the box there's a little wrapping paper, and the shoes come wrapped in that direction like that. So here they are. So box away. Woo! All right. Inside we have prime green sustainability stamp by Adidas. Here is the model information. So it's synthetic leather, made in Vietnam. Go figure. You do get an insole, which on the first touch is very comfortable. The shoe, as we all know, is a very classic old silhouette from Adidas. The only difference with mine is I went with these Velcro straps, and for me that's easier to close. Let's get rid of this. So I did sneak peek into them yesterday when I got them, and I put them on, and I can tell you they are quite narrow in the toe box, so I'm glad I went through to size, because they are on the other side quite long. So if you have a narrow foot, you could go half a size down on this, but I went with my regular Adidas side. But okay, let me tell you, so I wear Yeezys, so the 350 in the same size. I went with this, but I do take the insole out of my Yeezys. For these ones I will not need to do that. So this shoe is very plain. There is no technology, so no boost, no nothing like that on this shoe. So, but you do get the classic white silhouette of Adidas, which I think is quite cool. The three stripes are done in the form of these dots over here. Let me try to put this light on that I have here, might be better. Yeah, this is better. So a little Adidas sign on the side with the trifoil. On the back, as I said, I went with the white gold model, so I have just a white back of the shoe with the golden trifoil, and also the golden Stan Smith logo inside. You can get this part to be green or blue, but For me, I like the really clean and simple look of this gold and white model, so I went for this. So, I'm gonna throw these ones on feet and you're gonna see how they look. As always, if you have any questions, do let me know. Let me see what the leather looks like. So the leather is quite stiff at first, I would say, but obviously that's gonna get different while I wear the shoe. Let me throw these on feet and we'll see how they look. If you have any questions, guys, do let me know. And as always, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button if you like the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.